Welcome back to the Recipe Rookie, the show where I learn how to cook one dish at a time. As you can probably guess from my attire, it is May the 4th be with you. One of my favorite fake holidays out there, which all of a sudden is now a huge thing. What meal should I make for May the 4th? Maybe some Ronto wraps or some other cantina food? No, I'm making that classic Star Wars dish, Smashburgers. Crispy, juicy, diner-sized burgers that you only dream about. And I'm sure Anakin, if he had these to eat, would never have turned to the dark side. And we don't need a grill. We have my handy-duty Presto electric griddle, which I will cook right here. Check out this shirt here. It says The Mandalorian. This must have came out before the show because that is Boba Fett, not Din Djarin. Did you even know that's his name? You probably just call him Mando. Without any further ado, let's cook. What are today's ingredients? 80-20 ground beef, brioche hamburger buns. Now the cheese, okay, for cheese, it's all up to you. Today we've got mild cheddar, and over here, this is from an earlier episode. I got into the Cooper Sharp, which I use on the cheesesteak. I'm gonna try that on mine. A white onion, butter, ground pepper, salt, garlic powder, and I'm not getting them out, but ketchup, mustard, and mayo. That's the ingredients. Time to make the patties. Okay, so before we start, we have a nice drink. I think I've had this before, but people gave me a lot of good feedback and enjoyed me having a drink during the episode, so cheers. Oh, that is really good. The Other Half Brewery. Highly recommend. We're gonna start with the ground beef. Let's see what my recipe says. I'm gonna make these in about 3 to 4 ounce meatballs. Basically means I'm just gonna eye out. Ugh. Okay, let's see. Do I think that's enough? No, I think a little bit bigger. Okay, meatball. But I wanted to make these because I really enjoy a nice, good cheeseburger. What doesn't say Happy Star Wars Day than a cheeseburger, right? Or looks like I only got 5 out of that container. There we go, we got our 5. Let me throw this away. I'm gonna have some sliced onion. Let's bring these guys up here. We get to use the knife. Wait, let's take a drink. I think I cut the onion like this. Okay, looks good. Well, am I supposed to take the skin off? Okay, we gotta take, almost use the mandolin without taking the skin off. Let's get our mandolin. Great, it just went all the way down. Oh God. Like that? All right, here we go. Yeah, that looks good. That's it. All right, that's probably plenty. Oh, put that mandolin aside. That's our sliced onions. Let's get the grill back up here and let's start cooking. Turn this boy on. I think we're ready to go. Let's put the first one on, or maybe we'll put them all on. Yeah, what am I saying? Let's get them all. Whoa. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we got them on. Next, smash. Oh God. Aren't they supposed to get like really smashed? Smash! Hulk! Well, now they're like in the way. No. No. Okay, smash them. Okay. Smash. They're not staying together. Why? Smash. I have to say smash. Whoa, that's a lot of smoke on my face. Hi. I thought they would stay together better, but why are they coming apart? Yeah, this stuff, salt. Okay. Pepper. A little bit of garlic. Oh. Everything's going fast. Season them. All right, I flip them in a second. Smash some more. The key to the smash is to make sure it's called the lace. It's the sides of the burger. Pushing hard. Okay. All right, we need a drink. Getting hot. This one's gonna get a Cooper Sharp. Okay. This one's gonna get a cheddar. Oh God. Quicker, Josh. Oh no. Let's get that a double. Okay. Next, do this one another Cooper. Do this one another cheddar. Thousand and some cheese on the ground. Cheddar. Cheddar. And then this last one, we're gonna do a combo. We're gonna do one cheddar and one Cooper Sharp. All right. Whoa, glass is fogging. This is the first time ever making hamburgers indoors. I'm usually an outdoor guy. No smoke alarms are going off. Okay, like a minute, I guess more. Oh, let's try a little bit off the grill. Oh my God, it's actually crispy. I seem to always be able to pull this off now. I'm gonna put these on the plate, and then I'm gonna put a little butter on here, and then I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buns, and then we're gonna assemble and taste test. This is easy peasy tonight. I think we're ready. All right. Here we go. Look at that. Put a little butter. Take this. Okay, here we go. We're gonna put these down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just for a little bit. 3, 4, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Here we are over here. Let me put these together now. We're gonna put these on. Okay. Look at that, just like that. Where am I standing up? I don't know. We got those set up now. I'm gonna add onion to mine. Wow, this is harder than I thought would be today, but okay. We can add a pickle and ketchup, mustard, and we're gonna taste it. How about I'll just do a taste test right now. Okay, let's try it. Going in. Mmm. I mean, they're a Smashburger. I don't think I could have messed up. Fantastic. If you like this episode, remember, smash that likes button. Please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. If you have an idea of something for me to make, let me know down below. Probably a little bit more complicated than this. This was actually pretty easy tonight. Hey, they all can't be like last week's episode. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Let's cook. I have to say smash. Whoa, that's a lot of smoke on my face. Hi. Oh, cool. You're just gonna be right there. Now the cheat. Oh. Bouncer, you're so annoying right now. Why are you doing this? Whoa. Great. It just went all the way down. Oh, God.